What is up, guys? So, just a quick update. I have started at a new company. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more commercial and a little bit of refrigeration, but a lot more commercial and industrial size units, real big units. Chillers, water towers, some Aeon units, McQuay units, some IntelliPacks, a lot of smaller stuff as well. For instance, like little ice machines. Like today, I'm doing a inspection on a water fountain. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So hopefully that's something y'all are interested in as well. So I'll just be filming my learning process throughout this. You're gonna be seeing a lot more industrial, light refrigerant, commercial. Some rooftop units up here right now, and I'm just doing a maintenance, so probably won't film much of this one. But I'm still learning a lot of this equipment. A lot of IntelliPacks and DDC controlled units and VAV, so a lot of stuff like that you'll be seeing. So a lot much larger rooftop units than these ones. So we got American Standard. That one just got replaced. Mitsubishi, a lot of Daikin units as well. None up here, but we got plenty. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll try to upload a little more frequently. So that's gonna be it on this one, but there'll be more coming. So thanks for watching.